Ladies and gentlemen, the American jury and Bulldog Nation, there are few in the legal business and the court system that has spared my wrath with good points. I mean, it's not like I'm making this stuff up. And in fact, I want to tell you something. No one can refute any of the things that I'm saying. I just so you know, I don't hear from anybody who says, oh, you're wrong, Eric, and here's why. Nope. No lawyers ever challenge what I say on this. Never, ever. So today's topic is ambulance chasing law firms. Those are the law firms that advertise primarily for car accident cases. And that's their bread and butter. That's what they do. And I just want to tell you why those firms exist and why they do that. The reason why is because those are the easiest cases to handle in the litigation game. Absolutely easy. You gather up the medical specials, you gather up the medical bills, if the other side's at fault, you make a demand on the insurance company, boom. By the way, just let you know, I did car accident cases. Drake Law still does car accident cases. I'm involved in car accident cases. There's nothing wrong with car accident cases. Somebody's got to do them. And they're done on a contingency of a third, which makes sense because nobody has money to afford a lawyer. But what I want you to know is that these ambulance chasing car wreck factory attorneys do is you never see them ever take on a big cause for justice that needs to be taken on. For example, most of those law firms, they don't want to handle a medical malpractice case. Oh, those are too difficult. Most of them won't ever get involved in anything that's complicated and complex. It's wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, which is their prerogative. They have a right to do that. However, I want to caution all of you. Those of you that want to use such a firm like 4444444, I want to tell you, it is wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. They want a quick hit, be done with your case. No matter what they claim on their television commercials, they are not maximizing your claim. They're not. They're not in it to maximize your claim. They're in it for high volume, quick. If you're injured in a car accident, truck accident, whatever, text me, 859-250-2527, or email me at eric@ericdeters.com. I'll put you in touch with somebody that will really maximize your claim. Not a car wreck factory. And by the way, just think about this. Drake Law, for example, which is my former law firm, which I still consult with and work with. No law firm in the country has more, has tried more, and won more in medical malpractice cases in the last 7 years than they have. If that they do that well and we do that well on complicated medical malpractice cases, what do you think we can do on a car wreck case?